The noose is tightening on all those involved in nefarious activities linked to illegal pogos as authorities go after them to make sure they do not continue to wreak havoc elsewhere. In fact, one of the suspects allegedly involved in a raided scam farm in Pampanga was nabbed while trying to slip out of the country. Who that is, Patrick De Jesus reveals in this report.
The Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission confirmed that one of the persons of interest in the illegal pogo in Porac, Pampanga was apprehended in Davao International Airport. She is a Chinese national who is believed to be one of the managers of Lucky South 99, identified as Zhang Ji. She will be placed under detention under Bureau of Immigration custody. The PAOK said that although there is no immigration lookout bulletin against persons of interest pertaining to pogo as of yet, they are in continuous coordination with the BI to ensure these individuals remain in the Philippines and cannot travel outside the country.
Kapag nag-attempt silang lumabas ng Pilipinas, ipagbibigay alam po yun sa Immigration Commissioner at saka sa Immigration Commissioner naman po ipagbibigay alam sa Komisyon, sa PAOK. Then titingnan namin kung may sapat kaming legal ground para ma-hold at ma-upload sila. Then kapag meron, diretso po sila sa bikutan.
Meanwhile, as the 2025 midterm elections draw near, the DILG warned against the possible use of pogo money to fund candidates.
Well, Alice Go has been elected, no? Actually, there could always be that possibility of illegal means, illegal pogo, illegal wedding, or illegal isabong, no? At ang masaklap, even illegal drugs, narco-politics. All of these things could possibly affect an election.
On the other hand, the PNP reminded cops to always fulfill their duties. This, after a number of pogos like in Porac, Pampanga and Bamban, Tarlac continued to operate despite having no licenses or permits before they were raided. To recall, 50 personnel of Bamban Police were relieved from their posts, while the Chief of Police and Provincial Director in Pampanga were sacked for possible negligence. The PNP said there will also be an investigation on the Central Luzon Police Regional Director who has jurisdiction on these areas.
Wala naman po talagang protector. We have our integrity monitoring and group na nag-check po doon sa mga tao natin. I guess, ang hinahabol po natin, inefficiency sa mga pulis natin, bakit hindi na iimbestigahan at hindi na re-report doon sa headquarters yung mga ganitong pangyayari. Tama po yung sinasabi nyo, we are investigating rin po yung regional director doon sa mga yan, ang mga reports na hindi po na a-action na mabuti. We put accountability and doon sa mga regional directors, no? Especially yung mga ganyan.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.